By Stephen Groves, Associated Press. New coronavirus cases across the United States have tumbled to rates not seen in more than 11 months, sparking optimism that vaccination campaigns are stemming both severe COVID-19 cases and the spread of the virus. As cases, hospitalizations and deaths steadily drop this week, pre-pandemic life in America has largely resumed. Hugs and unmasked crowds returned to the White House, a Mardi Gras-style parade marched through Alabama's port city of Mobile, and even states that have stuck to pandemic-related restrictions readied to drop them. However, health experts also caution that not enough Americans have been vaccinated to completely extinguish the virus, leaving the potential for new variants that could extend the pandemic. As the 7-day average for new cases dropped below 30,000 per day this week, Rochelle Walensky, the director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, pointed out cases have not been this low since June 18, 2020. The average number of deaths over the last 7 days also dropped to 552, a rate not seen since July last year. It's a dramatic drop since the pandemic hit a devastating crescendo in January. As each week passes and as we continue to see progress, these data give me hope, Walensky said Friday at a news conference. Health experts credit an efficient rollout of vaccines for the turnaround. More than 60% of people over 18 have received at least one shot, and almost half are fully vaccinated, according to the CDC. But demand for vaccines has dropped across much of the country. President Joe Biden's administration is trying to convince other Americans to sign up for shots, using an upbeat message that vaccines offer a return to normal life. White House health officials on Friday even waded into offering dating advice. They are teaming up with dating apps to offer a new reason to swipe right by featuring vaccination badges on profiles and in-app bonuses for people who have gotten their shots. Ohio, New York, Oregon and other states are enticing people to get vaccinated through lottery prizes of up to $5 million. Across the country, venues and events reopened after shuttering for much of the last year. On Saturday, Karen Stetz ready to welcome what she hoped would be a good crowd to the Grosse Pointe Art Fair on Michigan's Lake St. Clair. With natural ventilation from the lake and mask and capacity restrictions easing, Stetz was optimistic that artists who make their living traveling a show circuit that ground to a halt last year would begin to bounce back. The event usually draws from 5,000 to 10,000 people. I feel like most people are ready to get out, Stetz said by phone shortly before opening the fair. It seems like people are eager, but it's hard to know still. I'm sure there's a percentage of people that are going to wait until they're comfortable.